I'm David Golding. I've been buying and selling modern and classic cars since 1988. Here we have for sale a 1952 Mercedes 220A Cabriolet. It's in simply stunning condition throughout, having had recent new paint, hood, interior and engine rebuild. An absolutely magnificent example of this rare car. The interior is striking as well, fully retrimmed in leather. New carpets. All the fixtures and fittings are present and all in really good condition. The door cards are good. Steering wheel has been refurbed as well. 74,000 miles indicated. Don't know if this is genuine. Original radio, unfortunately inoperative. And detailing here like inside the glove box, sun visors and inside the boot all show the level of attention given to this car. I always judge the quality of your restoration by the places you can't normally see, like under the dash, on top of the pedals, under the car. Here's the front suspension, the rear axle and the fuel tank, all fabulous. The correct engine is fitted, though it's not the original one. The engine bay is beautifully detailed. The original chassis plate is here. Everything is original except it's been converted to 12 volts with electronic ignition, and therefore the regulator is redundant. Right, let's see how she runs. Car starts on the button. Really crisp engine. Great oil pressure. After all, the engine's been fully rebuilt right down to new pistons. All the instruments working. Fuel gauge has been converted to 12 volt as well. She pulls away briskly. Slick gear change, 4-speed. Very tight on the steering. What an imposing sight. Into top gear. This car will drive anywhere. Fabulous, fabulous example. Pleasure to drive as well as for onlookers to view. The price of this 220A Cabriolet is €129,950. Includes registration for an Irish buyer. Very proud to be the #1 rated car dealer on Trustpilot in Ireland today. Free delivery nationwide to your door.